Yes, you said Inspector Bet.
Correct.
Quiet.
Yes.
Now, confirm to me that, you can confirm to the court that the sole reason why you undertook that investigation was, or rather emanated from that letter from the DCI.
Yes, Your Honor.
Therefore, it is also then safe to conclude that had the DCI been specific about a particular task, you should have done it as specific as it came.
Yes, Your Honor.
So therefore, can we also then agree that if you went and did something totally different from that letter, you had no authority or mandate to do that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, look at your letter. What is it asking you to do? What is the heading of that letter?
Request for information on the domain Kenyaleo.
No, I know it's not domain. I've read that letter. Can you read what is in the what is the exact content of that letter?
This information on email address.
Email address.
So in this context,
no, it's not within whatever context. It is asking you for an email address, not a domain. You know, you've been misleading us. Do you know the difference between a domain and an email address?
Yes, I do.
Yes, what is a domain?
The domain is that platform which
hosts our website.
Hosts our website.
Thank you. Now, and then what is an email?
This is just like an address that you can use to share information.
To share information. So you can agree with me that a domain is not the same as an email address.
Yes, you are.
Now, when you are asked to perform or rather investigate an email address known as Kenyaleo.co.ke, in fact, just read through the body of that letter. It's a very brief letter.
You want to read the
yes.
This office is investigating a case of cyber-harassment by the complaint letter written to us dated 2nd July 2024. For the purpose of concluding our investigations, please provide us with the particulars of the 1. Registered owner of the email address kenyaleo.co.ke. 2. Their contacts including the location of their offices, if known. Number 3. Retrieve for us the article published or edited by Sharif Juma on this page on the first day of June 2024. And another one published edited by the Nelson Oshira on 26th day of June 2024 from the above stated email. Number 4, any information that can assist us in our investigation in regards to the above request.
Now, thank you. So the specifics of this request was to investigate an email address, not a domain, isn't it?
Your Honor,
have you seen the word written domain here?
Your Honor,
it's a yes or a no question. Is there a request for a domain investigation here?
The subject matter is a domain itself. That is Kenyaleo.
But what is the particulars of the request? Is it requesting for a domain or an email address? You've read this document. It's an email address, isn't it not? Is it not?
As per the readings,
this is what gave instructions. Without this, you would not have acted. That is what you told us when I started. Is that correct? Now, let me ask you, after establishing that there is no email address known as kenyaleo.co.ke, did you write back to the DCI informing them that, no, this is not an email address, it's a domain? Did you do that?
No,
you did not. So as far as these investigations are concerned, you did not act within the ambits and the umbrella of this letter. Is that correct?
No.
You did not give what they were requiring.
We analyzed the specific subject, which was the Kenyaleo.co.ke.
If you go back, then let's go to your. You want to insist? Let's go to your report then.
Yes.
Do you have it with you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, according to that report, you said that you realized that it was a domain.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you indicate to that report where you say that according to your request, unfortunately, we cannot complete the request as made, but we took another trajectory and decided to investigate the domain. Where is that? Where is that clarification?
You did clarify anything, but you just
You did not clarify anything.
give out the.
No, it's okay. You did not clarify anything. So that is why I'm concluding, and we can agree that your investigations, as far as the specific mandate of that letter, were not done.
It was done, Your Honor.
It was done.
Yes, right.
Now, are you aware about the laws that protect people like the accused person from haphazard investigations? That is the Data Protection Act. Are you aware?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware that it is illegal, according to that act, to look for data operators or data handlers without authority of the court or reason to believe that they have committed a crime? Are you aware of that?
I'm aware.
You are aware. So if the letter that gave you authority specifically told you to investigate an email address, but you went ahead and investigated a domain, are you aware that what you did was illegal?
Your Honor,
Are you aware or not aware? Let's say you are aware or not aware.
the subject matter was the domain.
Are you aware or not aware? You've already read the contents to the court. You cannot reverse that.
Yes, but
they asked for an
what
email
about
address
that?
to investigate a domain. You've been very
Yeah,
kind
you know.
to us that you even told us the difference between an email address and a domain. So, are you aware that what you did was illegal if that letter is to be taken into consideration? If you are not aware, just
I would just still stick to the domain, Your Honor. There is no way you can use an email to post information.
So now, let me ask you now that if you want us to go to the issue about domains and whatnot. Now, if that was an email address, which is not,
yes,
were you able to establish that email address, Kenyaleo.co.uk, is in what domain?
there is no email here.
Yes?
You don't
No,
have.
I'm asking, it asked you to investigate the email. You said that no, alternatively, it was a domain which we proceeded to investigate. No, I'm asking you that in that, if at all it was an email,
Yes, sir.
Were you able to identify whether it was linked to a domain?
Yes, from now to.
Yes, now tell us now then from your report, where is the domain for the email kenyaleo.co.ke? And I hope you've listened to my question very carefully.
Apparently,
we can agree there was no email.
No email. Yeah.
That's all.